The typical home buyer's FICO credit score is 735, or was in during the third quarter. And according to Realtor.com, that's roughly 20 points higher than it was, or than the national average. So if you take the FICO score of the national average,
okay,
it would be 715. And so at 735, that's 20 points higher than the national average. That's just a little tidbit I found. A growing share of young adults are moving back home. I think we've already kind
probably
of heard
because they
that.
can't afford a house.
And instead of striking out on their own, it said nearly 1.5 million more adults under age 35 live with their parents compared to 10 years ago, in which it's a 6.3% increase. And that's more than double the growth rate of that age group. So it's not just an inflation-adjusted number.
We probably shouldn't put all the blame on the people under 35 because the parents also need the financial support sometimes as well. If a spouse passes away and now they're the sole income, they may actually need someone to help to be able to stay in their home.
If you're lucky enough to have kids that will actually pay.
This is also true. Yes, this is also true.
When it comes to family, there are a lot of financial dynamics. My dad had a saying that it is far better to give than to lend because the result is often the same.
Yes, don't give or don't lend unless you're okay with not getting it back.
And home ownership costs have jumped 26% over 5 years as hidden expenses rise. Typically, monthly expenses for homeowners surged by more than a quarter in 5 years through 2024. Let me read this. Comprehensive new report from the Census Bureau says the median monthly ownership costs for U.S. homeowners with a mortgage jumped to $2,035 last year. Again, according to the Census Bureau. I like to find these little nuggets.
Yeah, and that was up 7% from a year earlier in nominal dollars and a 26% increase from 2019 when the typical monthly cost for mortgage holders was just $1,609. That's massive, especially if you look at what you were earning then and what you're earning now.